Ever opened a fridge and just closed it, uninspired? Or worse, tried to cook something new and it ended up being a disaster? At CookingPal, we're reimagining the future of cooking. Meet Multo, your new companion for everything cooking related. Starting from before you even enter the kitchen. Get inspired by hundreds of recipes in our catalog that's updated weekly. And cook it all with Multo. When you're done, share the fun. Join our community, where we have regular cooking demos with real chefs. But that's not all. We're working on features that make the whole cooking process more seamless. Rediscover and create your own recipes, and learn to cook directly from your favorite chefs. Join the future of cooking today, along with the rest of our pals, and rediscover the joy of cooking.